We can do this without screwing it up, right?
Excellent. Wow.
Oh, it's so stressful.
Can you hold my chocolate?
Clumsy? What do you mean I'm clumsy?
Welcome back to my channel.
Take one. Oops.
And then we're going to put some bits of wood in, so that from this edge to the edge of that thing is the distance, so we can cut the hole in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Looking good? Good?
Now what's going to happen is,
Ow, 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 ow. I just like clamped my hand. Is that right? I think that's right. That'll do.
alright, well there's always a way, you know. Okay,
Oh, jeez. I didn't even notice my
we'll
job.
get that off.
That was not even close. Okay, there's a little too much glue. The triangle was kind of the wrong shaped triangle, but it works anyway. It's gonna look amazeballs. Man, this is so cool. I really wanna paint it now.
Come away a bit further. Just go slowly along. That's it. Long sweeps usually from one side to the other side. Normally you go through, you come back.
Well, it doesn't look amazing. Yeah, that is not helping. That is only making it worse. I'm really mad that that didn't dry. Okay, maybe I put too much paint on. Maybe that was the issue. This is like when your nail polish doesn't dry and you think it's dry, but it's really not. I'm literally watching paint dry. So it's been a few days now. We had to sand it down and spray paint it again, and our stencil didn't really work, so I'm going to have to trace it with a pencil and see how this goes. I might screw it up and we might have to start again. Oh, I just broke the pencil. really don't want to screw this up. Oh, okay. We can do this without screwing it up, right? I just realised I didn't make it straight downwards. I made it even on the sides, but I didn't make it even up and down. So it's on an angle and I can now see that and it's annoying me. This is the most stressful thing ever. Okay. Will that fly stop flying next to my face? I did it. I did it. I did it. That's awesome. How awesome is that? I definitely should not have coloured in the A. It looks a bit off. Hey Pa. Done?
Done?
Yeah, have a look.
Excellent. Wow.
Oh, it's so stressful. My hair shows how much work I've put into this.
Well, there you go. You've done it.
Thanks, Pa. You did most of it.
So let it.
This is literally insane. I'm literally shaking. Obviously, you've just seen me make that. It was actually a few months ago. It was just my little isolation project with my grandpa. Today is the 12th of January. Last time I looked at my subscriber count, we were at 998. I've already bought 1K balloons just in case. I haven't checked yet, but my phone's been going off like crazy. I'm literally shaking. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay, none of my messages are even people saying that I hit 1K. Let's get these balloons going. Oh my god, oh, these are massive. Is this doing anything? Oh, this is just the one. The K is gonna be so much harder. Whoa, I'm gonna pass out. I'm just going to leave you rolling because this is probably going to be somewhat entertaining.
That's not right.
I don't need
You have to hold that one over there.
Oh, wait. That's K1. It's 1K.
Oh, 1K.
Isn't a 1 meant to go that way? You're doing 1K, right?
No, 1 goes that way.
Actually, it doesn't. It goes that way.
If you do a 1, it goes like that.
Yeah.
It was
come
that.
on,
Oh, it does too.
I'll push.
Thank
I'll
you.
push. Ready?
Yeah, so 3 ones round the right way this time, and you K.
Okay,
ready?
alright.
I pressed the button once.
Ah, now it's going to take I'm literally, what am I saying? So it's been a few days. Yeah. Oh. I don't think this is gonna work. Did I spell subscribers wrong? No, I didn't. Okay, I thought I spelled subscribers wrong then.